can't even imagine. It is super hot in here, literally. And as much as I avoid the sun, I always have to go out to run some errands, and it's just crazy for me now. So yeah, I always look for a shade in Bishkek because Bishkek is a super hot city, like generally. And yeah, like most people, they avoid living here in the summer. They just go for vacation to other regions like Issyk. But this time we had to stay here. Well, yeah.
Results, more students became involved and
Wow, that was good. So we went out for shopping.
We found some things.
We bought some things for my friend. And we're going home. Yes. There's an insane traffic jam in Bishkek, literally. It's raining outside. And I'm going to my neighbors. Oh my goodness, it is so hard to walk up. Oh my, I'm so tired. This part of this region is so good. Look at this green leaves all the way till the end. I love this place actually. Super relaxing. So there are road constructions going on. That's why it was super hard to get here. And yeah, I took a bus and then I need to now go upstairs to fifth floor. Crazy. It's gonna be in YouTube.
Hi guys.
That's what we call a Kyrgyz meal, right, baby?
Right.
Yeah, and I made a soup with this meat and rice. It is super Kyrgyz.
And I'm cleaning the
Bone.
bone. Yeah.
Today is a beautiful day. We're going to get some bread. Yep. Oh, it's so bad. We just woken up.